Uh, in this question, say that what is the output of Boolean codes? And the first line is an assignment statement where 5 is assigned to x, and the second line is another assignment statement where the string 5 is assigned to y. Note that the first 5 and the second 5 are entirely different things in Python programming. The first one is of numeric data type, and the second type, which is integer, and the second type is string, a textual data type. Anything in a pair of a double, single, or triple quotation mark is a string in Python programming language. So, and the last line, which is an output statement, print x plus y. It is actually illegal in Python programming to carry out the arithmetic addition operation on a string and a number. It can only be carried out on the addition operator, can only be used on either string and string in case of concatenation, or number and number in case of addition. So the output is an error. So it is an error that your program will get crashed. So the correct answer is D, an error occurs. Thank you.